In the world of fitness, certain macronutrients are often given a bad name, being blamed for outcomes like weight gain or even obesity. But when you look at whole food nutrition objectively, there isn't a single nutrient that causes weight gain. So what actually causes us to stack on excess pounds? Well, let's start here. Each food provides a certain caloric value that provides the body with energy for various functions. By default, there are essential nutrients that the body needs but cannot produce on its own, which is where proper nutrition comes into play. We all know that protein is essential. However, carbohydrates and fats have been dubbed fattening in many cases. And the truth is that, well, highly processed carbohydrates and fats may lead to weight gain, but only because they are not satiating, meaning they can cause you to overeat. That is to say that weight gain is mostly dependent on your daily energy output versus your input. In simple words, if you don't consistently consume more calories than you need to maintain your weight, you won't gain weight, regardless of the foods you are consuming. This technically means that you can further reduce the calories below your maintenance needs and lose weight while eating ice cream daily. And though calories in versus calories out is the main factor for weight regulation, that doesn't necessarily mean food choices don't matter. Even more so, the purpose of a nutrition plan, regardless of the goal, is to make it sustainable. In other words, you have to be able to adhere to your nutrition plan and stick to it, without it feeling torturous. So how exactly do you do that? Well, the answer is simple. Your body is looking for certain foods that our species has consumed for a big part of its evolution. Those are namely whole foods of animal and plant origin, which gives the body all the essential nutrients it needs. When creating your ultimate nutrition blueprint, put these foods at the core: meats, organs, dairy, eggs, white or brown rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, fruits, and starchy vegetables. Unlike the processed foods with lots of additives that don't really make you feel properly satiated, a meal plan based on these whole foods will make it far less likely for you to overeat. This is because these foods contain a complex of essential fats, proteins, and quality carbohydrates along with fiber. Combine this with plenty of movement and you will be way on your way to the best looking and performing version of yourself. So what are you waiting for? Get your grocery shopping and meal prep done.